Hi everybody, Belinda here, welcome back. I'm working on a 10 by 30 today. No, it's a it's a 20 by 30. Alright, so I'll run through my colors quickly. So in my white I have titanium white. This is resin, 1:1. So I have titanium white and Pinata alcohol ink. And then here I have Pewter, which is Decoart. You can see it's got a bit of a shimmer, and I've added a tiny little bit of Mars Black. Now I'm going to attempt this. I have been wanting to do it for quite some time, but I've never really had the courage to do it. Oh, that's nice and shimmery. So I'm probably going to need to go down the edges as well. So my canvas is completely level. So I'm going to leave that for now because I'm going to have to go around with my fingers and get those edges all covered. And then I've got this green, which is Decoart metallic. Feels like it's already thickening up quite a bit. So I might have to hit that with a torch, or with a heat gun, just to get it all going again. Right, and now I have a Phato Cyan blue, and to that I've added some beautiful shimmery mica powder. Maybe you can see that. Right, so let me do the white first. I don't have obviously any silicone in here. Just really, hopefully, hopefully my little experiment will work. So I'm just getting that all covered with resin. Make sure it's all covered very well. So I don't have any empty spots, hopefully. Feels covered. Just bring that in a little bit more. Okay. So I see my other colors are running off here, but why? Because it is level. Okay, that is strange. So I have taped off my underneath my canvas. If my level says it's level, but it sure does look like it's running down the edge here. So I'll probably need to add whatever's left of that Payne's grey. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to work quite quickly now. Just want to add some more white. Okay guys, let's do this. So I'm thinking, might as well not Payne's grey moving down there. Right, let's see. Wish me luck, guys. Yes, I might go. I'm going to use my fingers. Yeah, that looks very nice. And then just giving it some more body. Right, that was a bit of a long wait. I do like that, but I am going to have to hit it with a torch. Bring this in a little bit. Oh, I like that effect. Yeah, let's do that. Because this part here, yeah. We'll go that way. Wow. Guys, I really like that. I think it looks really nice. I don't know about you guys. Comment below. What do you think? So I was going to hit it with a torch, with a heat gun, but I think I'm not going to do that. I'm going to hit it with a torch. I'll just try and get my gloves off. Just pop all the bubbles. And then I'll bring you in for a close-up. Right guys, this is it. I'll show you the sides. I really like the way this one has turned out. Better than I actually expected. I'm not sure if you can see the shimmer. Probably not. Excuse the studio light, guys. So all in all, I think that this turned out really nicely. I love it. And I think for a first time, it turned out alright. Let me know in the comments, what do you think, guys? So I love the little wispy bits that I created there. And of course on the top of the water as well. All of these cells that I've created here are actually just from mixing the way I have mixed up my white. So guys, I think that is very pretty. Anyway guys, if you're interested in any of my artwork, please contact me on withBade@gmail.com, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.